And I want to assure you that we are going to deliver exactly what we're able to observe or see from the assignment of the committee. There is nothing to hide about it. And I said it earlier that we are representing people and we want people to really know what exactly happened. They need to know. And
Definitely.
We are the people that will make them know
Yes.
what exactly happened.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I want people to have confidence in us and also have confidence in the committee that we are going to do rightly what they want. And even the committee is open for suggestion. If there's anything that the public maybe observe from our proceeding, the general public have the right to write us, suggest, and even tell us or make their own observation. And the committee is open up and we are ready to take it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this one. And it good say you come inside studio this morning, make you clear the air on top that first allegation where we talk about, and then the fact say not be as they take think am, now so it go be. People where be say then they for line to answer question the way it's supposed to be, they need to answer. Because as soon as they do on our work, we dey for behind, they ensure say on our work, it get the proper quality and quantity of exposure to take it enlighten the people of the state. Now that now on one side, on top the COVID-19 matter and the task force ready for there, since on our investigation they go on, you get plenty questions where we for like to ask, but we not go fit to proceed with those questions because make you not go interfere with our own investigation, because we self we dey do our own investigations and we get our own findings where we go where we dey do and we go keep them they watch so that it will be balanced diet at the end of the day. Now another thing again, an issue of fertilizer. They release fertilizer for Niger State. It never reached 2 months, 15,000 metric tons. The fertilizers them supposed enter inside local government, make them follow the proper channel, reach our farmers where insecurity matter they worry them for their areas where be the major places where our farms dey. Na chain of question where they follow on top discussion where they follow on top this one. But now these fertilizers where they release, it not reach the local government. That is the authorities for the local government where they supposed they responsible for them. It not reach them, but it enter inside the local government and it dey inside the market and then they sell them for 9,500 naira instead of the 5,500 naira where farmers supposedly for first line to benefit from them. All those ones now, if they go down, if you enter market today now, you go see the in fact on top the fertilizer they write am not for sale, but it dey inside market.
And cheap, interesting if he's a farmer.
And the reason for this question now be say 90% of people we put into power and people who are the government today, 90% of them are farmers. So wetin una want do on top this thing, make una ensure say people who elect una today, they feel una impact.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
In the House of Assembly that I'm in today, I know I'm representing my own constituency, which is Buso Local Government.
Yes.
And today, by the grace of God, I'm a member of the United States House of Assembly.
Very true.
In the House of Assembly, we have standing committees, in which the issue you're coming up with is an issue that is directly under the Standing Committee on Agriculture. And as I'm talking to you, I'm not even a member of that committee. So for me to respond or say anything about that, all I know that usually before now, when the issue of fertilizer is directly between the state government and local government. Because if fertilizer comes, it is the local government that are directly in charge, because they are going to be, the fertilizer usually is being distributed according to local government, and it will be taken to local government headquarters, and it is the council and the people concerned from the state, that is the ADP, that are directly in charge, because the storekeeper of each local government where those fertilizers are kept are staff of ADP. There's the state government. But the whole thing is in collaboration with the local government. That is the practice I used to know. But the one of this year is what I cannot say about it now, because I knew in the last administration, the last tenure, I was a member of AGRI. And that is what I used to know. But for now, I really don't know what happened because I'm no longer in the committee and I'm not in the local government council. So I don't know what happened. But with this allegation, I am representing the people. I want to assure you that I'm going to take it up from here. And when I go to the office, I will be able to find out from the standing committee chairman, which is the chairman, which is the member representing Kontagora 2. He is the House Committee Chairman on Agriculture. I will try to find out from him, and I promise Nigerians I will get back to them, whatever is there, because I said it earlier that we are representing people. And I want to clear some one thing from the minds of the people. You see, some people said politics is all about lie and deceive, but I don't believe that. Because whatever you do as a politician, you are to face your God and account for what you have done.
That's definitely.
There is no doubt about it.
Yes.
If you are entrusted with leadership position, you must surely tell your God when you die what you are able to do with that, personally with that position that you are given. So that is my belief. So I don't want anybody, whether you are in position today or you are thinking of being in this position, that I think politics is something that you can just deceive people or lie to people and you think that God will not ask you. That is not true. Whatever you do, definitely God will ask you. So I want to assure people, I want to assure you and Nigeria that I am going to go into issue of this fertilizer, then confirm and know what is it, and I will let you know.
Thank you. Now the reason why we bring her now, make I ask one personal question on top your own opinion on top this matter of security and insecurity for plenty of these areas, and the introduction of community policing, where some parts of the state don't begin they launch their own part. What will be your take?
You see, security issue is a very serious thing, and I know that even from since the last administration, that is my first 4 years in the House of Assembly. I think if I remember, I have moved a motion not less than 5 or 6 times on security issue. Because personally, my local government or my constituency, I was facing that challenge seriously, another part of the state. And I do know that at that time, I moved motion from the assembly, we invite security chiefs, we have an interface with them, we intimate government to take measures on security issues. But you know, I know that the issue of security is not, to me, it is the mindset of the people and even the government. It's not all about having community policing or having security agents or having the. It's the determination to really do what exactly we're supposed to do. You see, like now, I want to say one very important thing. The situation people are in this state now, because I know of my state, I cannot talk about any other state. But in Niger State today, if you know the pace and the situation people are in, there is no way you talk about security and you get it right. People are in hunger. People are suffering. If you are going to somebody and you are telling him about security, he will not even have time to listen to you. Why? Because he's thinking of what to eat in his house. Crusader, I want to tell you that just yesterday, because I have this outcry from my people, I went to the market. I want to buy a bag of maize. I want to tell you today that I bought that bag of maize at 25,000 naira. Just one bag of rice.
That yesterday.
Yesterday.
As I yesterday, we the confirm say they 18,000. Now we don't pro.
I bought it. It's not story. I bought it myself, and I bought them in numbers. 25,000 naira. I'm telling you this thing. not 18. Anybody that's telling you it's 18,000, that is story. I bought it.
Let me say 2021, we get problem for food.
That is
So
it.
you see, and I want to tell you that the reason for all these things is the insecurity.